Hey everyone! Welcome back to Get the Marvel. I'm your host GTM, and today we're diving into a cool topic in Java that will make your code more efficient and elegant. We're talking about ternary operators. If you're new to Java, don't worry. I'll break it down for you in a fun and easy way. Let's get started. So, what is a ternary operator? In Java, the ternary operator is a one-liner replacement for the if-else statement. It's like the Swiss Army knife of conditional statements, compact and handy. The syntax is pretty straightforward. Here's how it works. If the condition is true, expression 1 is executed, otherwise, expression 2 is executed. Simple, right? Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you want to assign a value to a variable based on a condition. Instead of writing an if-else statement, you can use the ternary operator. Example: if age is 18 or more, eligibility will be you can vote. Otherwise, it will be you can't vote yet. Let's see a more practical example. Suppose you're building an e-commerce application, and you need to display a message based on the user's purchase amount. Example: if purchase amount is greater than 100, the user gets a discount message. Otherwise, no discount. Ternary operators are not just for numbers and strings. You can also use them with methods. For example, and there you have it. Ternary operators in Java. They're concise, efficient, and can make your code look cleaner. So next time you find yourself writing an if-else statement, think about using a ternary operator instead. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Get the Marvel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep coding and stay marvelous.